Okay, so if you are having difficulty accessing the lab this week, it's probably that your pop-up blocker is on. The way to fix it is you go to the page, so once you click on the link, it'll pop up and it'll look something like this. You're going to go to this puzzle piece with the red mark on the upper corner and click Manage. Once you click Manage, it'll bring you to a new page. If your button is turned off, which it probably is, then click Allow and ask first. Once you've done that, close out, and then go back to your page and hit refresh. In this case, because I changed it on here, it was not working. It's the other option you can do. If it says not secure, change it to ask, and then click reload. It'll still show up and it'll say click to play flashlight, but then you can click and say allow. And then you should be all set to go.